and counting. Thanks, Ekta, for all the details over there. Prakash, have you looked at this one? Jubilant farm over. It's quite a breathtaking mover today.
Yes, Surbhi, I of course did see the move, but I don't track the company from a fundamental perspective so closely. But echoing what Ekta had to say, I think that's a trend that's probably going to take some much more legs. There are more legs to it than just one-off case here. But that is something which probably is definitely a very major positive for it. But apart from that, I haven't studied the fundamentals of the business to comment on how it makes such a big difference going forward.
All right, Prakash, we'll leave it there. Have a good weekend, restful weekend, and we'll see you back next week. Thanks indeed for joining in.
Thanks, bye.
Thanks very much. All right, now trade adjustments for FTSE and Bharat 22 come into effect today. That is, should actually happen in the last half hour or so. Much of it. Vivek is here with the details of the changes we're likely to see. Vivek, over to you.
Well, good afternoon. It's an important session, and which is why, you're actually seeing quite a bit of volatility in some of the names that we will be discussing. So first, we are looking at the Bharat 22 ETF. These adjustments happen throughout the trading session. And, no constituent changes, only weight adjustment changes. We are highlighting the top names that are impacted by the changes. So first, NTPC and NALCO both expecting to see around $30 to $35 million of inflows in today's trading session. Power Grid, around $18 million of inflows. All of these stocks, especially NALCO, is a buzzer in today's trading session. Now, on the other hand, ITC is seeing a significant outflow of almost $70 to $75 million, and it's a clear underperformer in today's trading session. On the other hand, the FTSE semi-annual index changes that were announced on Feb 17th, today is the adjustment day that the flows will happen in the last half an hour to 1 hour of the trading. And, it's a net inflow event as far as India is concerned. Inflows of close to $380 to $400 million is what, we will be witnessing today. And just highlighting the top names, Kotak Mahindra Bank, inflows of close to $78 to $80 million. Supreme Industries around $48 million. APL Apollo Tubes, Patanjali Foods, as well as Solar Industries, all of them seeing inflows. Interestingly, Sona BLW, which had a block deal earlier this week on the back of the weightage as far as, the promoter holding is concerned, that too is likely to see inflows of close to $25 million today.
All right. Thanks very much, Vivek. Appreciate you joining in. Good speaking with you. 90 points on the Nifty. So slowly